Dear Diary, I hate the rain.
Rain!
In the window cleaning industry, this is what we call a rain day. We don't work. But I wasn't the one when we tell Adam that. I mean, that son of a bitch is mean. And he's kind of a live wire.
I don't have your handle.
I vi my truck and the handle in the afternoon yesterday.
But I didn't take it. I don't have it. I don't know where it went.
And we were scared shitless. That old boy was pissed. He didn't take it well. I told him, easy big fella. Easy big fella. Whoa. Whoa big fella. Scared as always, Eddie called his dad and had him come pick him up. I got him to calm down for a second, and he tried to explain to me he just bought his daughter's scooter at JC's, and it was $69.95, and I felt horrible. So I agreed to try to make some money in the rain for him, even though that makes about as much sense as a schnauzer with a bow tie. I mean, shit. It was pissing rain on us out there.
I told you don't make the music! I told you don't make the fucking man! Damn it! It don't make the fucking sense! It don't make the fucking sense! Help! 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 It don't make no sense to clean the windows in the rain!
What if I would have just stood up for myself in the beginning? Would I still be out here? Who knows?
Thank you for teaching me, sir.
Boy, that don't make sense. I hope you learned something there today. Sometimes you can't have it all. You can't wash windows in the rain. I'll tell you something, you the next time, you hear me? You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Don't go buy no $9.95 scooter even if it's down at Troy's. I don't care. You can't afford the scooter, you don't buy it. So maybe this should be a lesson in finances instead of cleaning windows in the rain.
Alright, boss, let's get out of here. It's been a day.
You go, I go.
Adam would not hold my hand. However, he did agree to try to work on his temper. And if I stop trying to hold his hand. We'll see how this goes in the future. On the next Window Cleaning Diaries.
Hey, boss, I'm really concerned. Marcos, he just can't seem to say the word medium.
Oh boy, I heard you can't say schmedium.
It's medium?
Fucking schmedium. Schmedium.
It's medium.
No, schmedium.
It's medium?
No.